Check the mic and make sure it sound right, boys.
Hello everybody. So I have come to this lake, beautiful lake today, just because to break the regular timetable. So the story is that I was really unproductive for the past week, I would say, and from unproductive I mean highly unproductive. And अगर मैं पीछे जाके देखूँ that how it all started, so it happened after I registered for Goldman Sachs. I came to know on 23rd January that there is an opening for Goldman Sachs once again. They are hiring intern and full time. So जब मैंने रजिस्टर किया, so I was like कि अब इस बारी I will give my best, and I made a target of doing 25 medium questions. Quite relatable because सब ऐसे ही करते हैं. But on the very first day I was able to solve only 9, and that kind of gave a depressing result. So the next day I did 5, the next 3, and then it just followed. So after having 2-3 days like that, then there came a complete dip, and I think I didn't even do one question from the past 4 days. So highly unproductive, and not just in terms of programming, but I wasn't doing anything at all. So it's just a technique basically that I use for pushing the restart button again. You break the timetable, you go somewhere out close to the nature is always better. Also, in the past 10 days I have received a lot of mails for Goldman Sachs. So one of the doubts was a civil engineer, and will the assessment be same for me as well as for the CSE candidates? So yes, if they want to evaluate students, so the mode of examination and the questions should be not, if they are not same, but they should be of the same type at least. So yeah, the questions will be same for everybody, and you will be evaluated on the same scale as everybody else. Also he asked whether the exam will be hard. So a brutal reality, yes, the exam will be hard, but the positive side is it will be hard for everybody. So keep practicing. So for preparing for quantitative aptitude, the maths topic that you need to revise are probability, permutation and combination, statistics, and quadratic equations. So I have seen these problems from these 4 chapters mainly. So if you will revise these 4 topics, then for sure you will score better in quantitative aptitude. Funny doubt from a second year student. He asked कि भैया मैं तो second year में हूँ and the program is for 3rd and 4th years. So क्या मैं कोई fake profile से register कर दूँ, so that at least I can give the test and I can get an idea of what questions do they exactly ask. So what can I say? Yes, for sure you can register, but I would not say this is a very ethical way of attempting the test. Rather, you can go to Geeks for Geeks, because people will share their experience of how or what questions were they asked. So that would be a better choice, but of course you can't stop anyone from registering. So you can register and see what happens. Even I am excited, what will they do? So for the next 8-9 days, what I'll be doing is I will be solving the questions from Geeks for Geeks interview experiences of Goldman Sachs, and I'll be sharing it on my channel, solving every questions. But this things requires time, and the videos will be too long, but it will be best for practice, as when less than a week is there to prepare for some examination. The best way to prepare according to me is to do previously asked questions.
Check the mic and make sure it sound right, boys.